So here we have it, guys. Here's the website, alaskagreenhouse.com, and show you guys a couple pictures of the greenhouses we've built over the years. Got like a little slideshow. Pretty incredible. We build these in a shop in a village about 30 miles from our house. They take about a week and a half to complete each unit to order, and then we drive down there, load them on a flatbed truck, and take them to the delivery site and assemble them, which you'll see in the video shortly. This is what it looks like with the greenhouse loaded on the flatbed truck. We just made it to the delivery site and we're unloading the greenhouse. These 13-foot units are small, easy to maneuver. We can carry the walls individually, and they all just bolt together real quick. They're pre-drilled, they go together really fast. It take about 3 hours to assemble them. Ah, there's me in the video. I'm wearing a green shirt and a white ball cap. We just got the walls assembled. We're moving the greenhouse around, getting it kind of oriented where we want it, making sure it's all square and nice. We screw it down to the deck, and it's time for the roof. The roof has a center little round piece that the roof panels basically bolt into. They all push towards the center, kind of lock themselves in place. They bolt down to the top of the wall plate, and that's me working in the center of the roof, bolting them all together, kind of holding that middle up till they're all forcing each other to stay in place. And the next thing we do, we put a cable around the inside for more structural strength. We foam the seams, we put a nice little trim board over there, and sadly I didn't get the video where I install the door, but we install some glass windows in the back of the unit, and that's pretty much it. Here we go, guys. We finally have the greenhouse fully assembled. I'll link the website down below, along with his Facebook page for more pictures and information. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go check out Shenanigans United on YouTube.